You're looking live at a United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket on the launch pad at Space Launch Complex 41, where we are less than an hour away from the launch of Boeing's Starliner to the International Space Station. And welcome everyone to the Kennedy Space Center here in Florida. It's a humid day, it's a hot day, around 83 degrees, but it's a wonderful day because we're launching a rocket and we've got coverage for you, live coverage of Boeing's Starliner Orbital Flight Test 2. I'm Daryl Nail with NASA.
And I'm Dee Russell with Boeing Communications. Boeing crews worked throughout the day getting Starliner ready from Launch Complex 41, which is just a few miles away from us at the Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. The instantaneous launch window is scheduled for 6:54 p.m. Eastern Time.
This is an uncrewed mission that will test the Starliner spacecraft and Atlas V rocket, beginning with launch, then going to docking and undocking, and then, of course, a return to Earth.
This test flight will provide valuable data toward NASA certifying Starliner for regular flights with astronauts to and from the space station.
Yeah, and the NASA astronauts are really looking forward to that. We're going to talk to them a little bit later on in the show. But let's take you back to yesterday morning. What a beautiful shot this is. Look at that. This is the rollout of the rocket to the pad. 2 rail cars pulling the 3.5 million pound convoy to the mobile launch platform, along with the rocket and Starliner spacecraft, from the vertical integration facility out to the launch pad. And what a journey. It takes about 20 minutes to travel that 1/3 of a mile. The Atlas V rocket there, what a great shot. Standing 172 feet tall, or about 52 meters, and it weighs about 979,000 pounds, or 444,000 kilograms, fully fueled. That's a heavy rocket. Fast forward to today, and you can see there from the live shot, in preparation for launch, both stages of the Atlas V rocket were fueled up with propellant, and that happened just a few hours ago. And as you can see from some of our views provided from our launch cameras, it is a beautiful day out. We've got a low cloud deck in the area, some clouds that have developed. We'll talk to our weather officer about that in just a bit.
And earlier today, another important pre-launch milestone was completed. Boeing's ground crews inside the White Room closed the hatch to the Starliner. Although there's no crew flying on this second test flight, the Boeing closeout crew is working as if there is.